Hi, welcome to Glow's Kindred Kitchen, and I'm Glow. Today we're going to be making some sweet tea at home, and I'm going to show you how to do it. It is so easy and it is delicious. So let's get started. What I did is I brought a small pot of water to a boil, and I'm just changing my camera here so that you can see it. And once you bring it to a boil, you want to turn your burner off. And then I add 3 tea bags. So in other words, it's 1 tea bag per cup of water. And you just kind of want to gently wrap it around the handle of your pot. And kind of make sure it's away from the burner because it's still probably hot. And what you want to do is you want to let this steep no longer than 5 minutes. If you do it more than 5 minutes, it will become bitter. And that's not what we want. That's not our goal here. So I'm going to see you back in about 4 minutes, and I'll show you what else to do next. Bye. Well, welcome back. It's been 4.5 minutes now, and we're going to go ahead and pull the tea bags out of the water. And I'm going to move this over here, and I'm going to move the camera over so that you guys can see this a little bit better. Can you see that? So anyway, I'm going to take these tea bags and I'm going to just dip them up and down a couple of times, and you can see how this water has really gotten to looking like tea. What I'm just doing is gently squeezing, gently squeezing these tea bags. It's kind of hard when you got that many. There we go. So I'm just going to put those over in this little bowl here and get rid of them. The next thing you want to do is you want to take your sugar, and I really like to use cane sugar in this. And I'm using 1/3 cup, and I do know that I don't use as near the amount of sugar that a lot of people do, but that's just the way we kind of prefer it. So I'm going to go ahead and stir this 1/3 cup of cane sugar into the tea. And what I'm doing is I'm just going to stir this till the sugar dissolves. It's almost completely dissolved. There we go. So our next step is I took a pitcher, and this pitcher is 6 cups. And it's just perfect for my husband and I for the day. And what I do is I filled this pitcher up with ice. And I'm just going to slowly pour this hot tea over it. So what it is, it's about 6 cups of ice, which is like 3 cups if it were to melt, to the 3 cups of water, or the tea rather. So, and then all you have to do is just wait till this starts to melt a little. And I'm going to bring it up so you guys can just see the bottom of it and see how that's already starting to melt. And we are ready for some delicious iced tea. I'm going to make this again another day, and I'll be putting some different flavorings in with it. It's so easy to do and refreshing, and I hope you've enjoyed this. Bye! See you next time.